Zoom shortcuts? What? I have been using Zoom for years before I even found the shortcuts. Duh. But what are the shortcuts, and most importantly, how do you use them? And I found a little magic secret weapon to make a shortcut on the shortcuts. So first, what are the Zoom shortcuts? So check out support.zoom.us and look for shortcuts. Just search it up, and this is what you'll find whether you're Mac or PC. You'll probably find the answer you want right here. But super cool, all these things that it can do, but who wants to memorize all this? Ugh. So now, with my little magic tool, what does the tool do? So what does it do? It takes the shortcuts and makes it a super shortcut. So if I want to share, I just click on this button. I choose then which I'm going to do and share. Now, I've also set it up so there's actually two profiles. So this is the Keynote one, and then this is the Zoom one. So I can go back and forth between the two that I've set up. So one is the shortcuts for Keynote. So if I want to forward the slide, if I want to go backwards, so I have it set up for the shortcut for backwards. I also have a little timer built in, so I can stay on time, which definitely is an issue. And then we even put a clock in there too. With one button, I can hit record. And if you notice up in the top left, it's now recording. Here's what's really cool. This is what I love, because when I do a lot of Keynote slide presentations, sometimes I want to see the chat that's happening. Well, let's go back to the Zoom profile. If I hit chat, so watch the screen, if I hit chat, it pops up right here. I can also get rid of it by hitting it again. If I want to see the participants, I click that, it's there, click it again, it's gone. So you may use Zoom differently than I do, but I am sure you could customize it to make it work for you. Now here's the most important part. How do you program this? How do you make it happen? Check this out. Step one is get your Stream Deck. So there are many different kinds, different sizes. We actually bought the mini one with 6 buttons. We tried it, and then I realized, wow, this is really cool. We actually need the regular Stream Deck instead of the mini. That only has 6 buttons. We got the 15 one. There's also a XL version. So we got the Stream Deck, and this is the one that we're using and we're gonna show you about. It's about $150. So once you get your Stream Deck, step 2 is to connect the Stream Deck to a USB port on your PC or Mac, and it will light up. Now yours will not have all of these already programmed in, but you get the point. Step 3 is download and install the Stream Deck app on your computer. So go to elgato.com/gaming/downloads. Now you look, if you're Mac or PC, you wanna make sure you find the right one. So we're not looking for game capture, we're looking for Stream Deck for Mac, and then we download the latest version. So once you have the Stream Deck app opened on your PC or Mac, next is to customize the buttons for what you're going to use. Now there's many different uses. Try it, test it, tweak it, change it, but I'll just show you how to actually do that. Okay, over on the right-hand side, you'll see there's so many different things you can do. But remember, this was designed for gamers. For our use in Zoom, we're just going to use 2 sections, the Stream Deck section and then the System section. So right here and right here. So let's say, for example, you want a timer. I drag that right over here. Boom. You can change the title of it. Hurry up. You can change the number of seconds, 60 seconds or 1 minute. And you can also add whether you want there to be a sound or not. So now check this out. Hurry up. And then you see the timer will just count down. So in Zoom, one of the cool things is we need the hotkey. The hotkey lets you assign shortcuts associated with a command in an application or computer. So when I have Zoom up, I use Zoom hotkeys. When I'm showing Keynote or PowerPoint, you would use PowerPoint hotkeys. I have a different profile for both. I have a Zoom profile and I have a Keynote profile. So we just grab the hotkey and we drop it right up here. So if we go over here and look at our hotkeys, let's say we want to do mute, which is Command Control M. Command Control M. So how do we do that over here? Click on this, the hotkey, and now we do the action, which is Command Control M. And if we want to do another one, right here, let's say we want to do a screen share. So we look over here, stop and start screen share. Command Shift S. Share. Command Shift S. And boom. You're gonna have to do a little experimenting, try it out, test it. So if you wanna tackle the Zoom shortcuts with the Stream Deck from Elgato, please do. I hope that video was helpful. There's a lot more online, you can check it out. But if you want some more secrets to better virtual presentations, just check out bettervirtualpresentations.com and you can check out my free training on that.